Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. Today I am going to teach you how to prove some important problem on proving identities of multiple angles. Before starting, I want you to make sure that you please subscribe my channel so that I will be encouraged to make similar type of videos, and you also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. So without delay, I will start my today's topic. So it's proving identities. Frequently, students feel difficult until they are properly habituated. But if they know how to prove proving identities, some frequently asked proving identities, that means some important proving identities which are important for board examinations, then they will feel like doing other proving identities. This will create chain reactions. So if you can prove one identity, then you feel like proving another identities, and if you can prove next identities, then you feel like doing next identity. In this way, then chain reaction will be created, and ultimately you will be solving so many problems. Here I have brought some important problems on proving identities which are frequently asked in board examination. This doesn't mean that you only need to do this much, but this will create encouragement in you, and so you feel like doing other proving identities, so that you have enthusiasm to prove identities. So I have selected some important questions. Definitely I hope that this will encourage to you, and you watch my video from the beginning to the end so that you will be benefited from some frequently asked proving identities which I have solved here. Okay, so here one proving identities from multiple angle is this: 2 cos theta plus 1, 2 cos theta minus 1, and 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 equals to, we have to prove 2 cos 4 theta plus 1. Let's start from left hand side. So on the left hand side, 2 cos theta plus 1, 2 cos theta minus 1 is given. So it is just like a plus b, a minus b. It is a, it is b, this is a, this is b. So a plus b, a minus b formula is a square minus b square. So we can write 2 cos theta whole square minus 1 square for these two expressions using a plus b, a minus b formula, a square minus b square. And our next expression is 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. Okay, so while writing LHS, you need to copy this same once again here, but for saving time that I haven't copied this same, I have started to solve directly. Okay, but I suggest you to copy this step once here, and after that in next step only you write this one, but I have started directly here. So 2 cos theta whole square is 2 cos theta times 2 cos theta, that will be 4 cos square theta. Here 1 whole square is 1, and here we have 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. And now this, for this 4 cos square theta also, we can write 2 times 2 cos square theta minus 1 bracket closed, 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. And we have formula for 2 cos square theta, that is, formula for 2 cos square theta is 2 cos square theta formula is 1 plus cos 2 theta. This will come from the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1, and that minus 1 goes there and it becomes 2 cos square theta equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay, so we have this formula, 2 cos square theta equals to, this equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta. We can use that formula. 2 1 plus cos 2 theta, here is minus 1, 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. Okay, here we can write small bracket also. Okay, now let us simplify this. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 times cos 2 theta, 2 times cos 2 theta minus 1, and 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. Here 2 cos 2 theta, 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1 here. And here 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. Again it became a plus b, a minus b form. So we can use formula of a plus b times a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So it becomes 2 cos 2 theta whole square minus this 1 whole square. A plus b, a minus b formula is a square minus b square. So now again 2 cos 2 theta whole square is 2 cos 2 theta times 2 cos 2 theta, that will be 4 cos square 2 theta minus 1. Now like before, this 4 cos square 2 theta we can write as 2 times 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1, and this 2 cos square 2 theta minus 2 cos square 2 theta formula is like before. 2 cos square theta formula is 1 plus cos 2 theta, and exactly in the same way, in place of theta we have 2 theta. When it is theta, double of this theta is 2 theta. When there will be 2 theta, its double will be here 4 theta. So 2 cos square 2 theta will be 1 plus cos 4 theta minus 1 is here. 2 times 1, 2 plus 2, 2 times cos 4 theta minus 1. This becomes 2 cos 4 theta, and 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1, which is our right hand side, equals to RHS proved. Okay, in this way we have easily proved this proving identity. This is one important proving identity. I hope you have understood it, and if you need to copy this, then you can pause the video and copy it. Now I will move to next important question. Okay, our next important question of proving identities is prove that 4 cos 6a minus sin 6a equals to cos cube 2a plus 3 cos 2a. This we have to prove. 4 cos 6a minus sin 6a equals to cos cube 2a plus 3 cos 2a we have to prove. Let us begin from left hand side. Like before, I suggest you to copy this same here in the left hand side, but I start directly. Okay, so here 4, this cos cube cos 6a we can write cos square a whole cube minus sin 6a you can write sin square a and its whole cube enclosed by curly bracket. And now we can use aq minus bq formula. You know aq minus bq formula. aq minus bq formula is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So using that formula, we have cos square a minus sin square a and a square, that will be cos power 4a plus ab, that is cos square a sin square a plus b square, that will be sin power 4a. We can write like this, a square plus ab plus b square form. And now here this is the formula for cos 2a, so we can write cos 2a. Okay, while proving identities, in what term we need to express, we should frequently see on the right hand side. Here in terms of cos 2a we have to express, so here we use the formula of cos 2a. Okay, so now here this first and last, cos power 4a and sin power 4a, we write together, plus we have this sin square a times cos square a. Okay, uh, okay, so this cos power 4a sin power 4a we have written together, and we have here sin square a plus cos square a, and now this 4 cos 2a we write as it is because cos 2a is required, so we do not change this. And now for this we can use a square plus b square formula. You know a square plus b square formula. A square plus b square formula is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay, so we can use that. This cos power 4 is cos square a whole square, sin power 4 is sin square a whole square, so we can write like this way, cos square a plus sin square a whole square, sorry, here is minus plus 2 cos square a sin square a, and this last one is plus sin square a cos square a. We enclose this by curly bracket. Okay, all right, so here 4 cos 2a cos square a, this cos power 4a plus sin power 4a cos 2 cos square a minus sin square a whole square plus 2 cos square a sin square a we can write using a square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab formula, and this last one is written as it is. Okay, it is not changed here. All right, now next step, your 4 cos 2a, this is the formula of cos 2a. Cos square a minus sin square a is cos 2a formula. That cos 2a again square will be cos 2a whole square, and plus adding this sin square a plus cos square a to this cos square a sin square a is also same like 2 sin square a cos square a, so that will be 3 sin square a cos square a. Adding this together, they are like terms, 3 sin square a cos square a. Okay, we also enclose this by curly bracket. This implies 4 cos 2a, and here cos 2a whole square you can write as cos square 2a, plus here if you multiply up and down by 4 then it will be 3 over 4 times 4 sin square a cos square a enclosed by bracket. And now here we have 4 cos 2a, 4 times cos square 2a, it will be 4 cos square 2a plus here 3 times this 4 sin square a cos square a, you can write 2 sin a cos a and its square over this 4, we can write in this way. Okay, and now this 4 and this 4 can be cancelled. This equals to, we have cos 2a, and this 4 cos square 2a with us plus 3. This is the formula for sine 2a. So sine 2a whole square will be sine square 2a close by a bracket, and we have cos 2a. This 4 cos square 2a we can write as cos square 2a plus 3 3 cos square 2a. This is 3 cos square 2a, a little bit unclear it became, okay, plus 3 sin square 2a, okay, cos square 2a plus 3 cos square 2a. We have split this 4 cos square 2a into two parts. Here I have written cos square 2a plus here 3 cos square 2a, and this last one 3 sin square 2a is same. Now here cos 2a, we have here cos square 2a plus from these two 3 is common. Here 1 is sin square 2a, and next term is cos square 2a, and you know the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta. In place of theta we have 2a, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here we have cos 2a, here cos square 2a plus 3 sin square theta plus cos square theta, formula is 1. So 3 times 1, and now this equals to, we can multiply inside cos 2a times cos square 2a, it becomes cos cube 2a plus 3 ones are 3 times cos 2a, that will be 3 cos 2a, and this equals to right hand side proved. So in this way, this important problem on multiple angles, important proving identities of multiple angles, I have shown here how to prove it. Okay, so if you need to copy this, then you can pause this video and you can copy it comfortably. Now I will move to next question. The next question is prove that prove that 1 over sine 50 degree plus root 3 over cos 50 degree equals to 4. 1 over sine 50 degree plus root 3 over cos 50 degree equals to 4. We have to prove. Okay, for this also I will start from left hand side. Let's start from left hand side. Here 1 over sine 50 degree you can write, and for this root 3 is the value of tan 60 degree, so this root 3 can be replaced by tan 60 degree over we have cos 50 degree, and this equals to 1 over sine 50 degree plus tan 60 degree value. Tan 60 degree formula, the tan theta formula is sine theta over cos theta, so tan 60 we can write sine 60 degree over cos 60 degree, and this cos 50 degree is already there in denominator. Okay, so this tan 60 degree sine 60 over cos 60 over, if you write cos 50, then this will come later in denominator, so I did it directly. So you can easily write tan 60 means sine 60 over cos 60, and this denominator one already in denominator, that will be same as this. And now from these two you can take out LCM. LCM of these two is nothing common, so it will be sine 50 cos 50 degree cos 60 degree, all will be the LCM. And now when you divide this by sine 50, sine 50, sine 50 cancels, and cos 50 cos 60 will be there, cos 50 degree times cos 60 degree will be there, and plus here this cos 60 cancels, cos 50 cancels, and sine 50 sine 60 degree will be there. And now cos A cos B plus sin A sin B formula we can use. The formula for cos A cos B plus sin A sin B equals to cos A minus B. We can use that formula, and using that formula, in place of A we have 50 and in place of B we have 60, so it will be cos 50 minus 60 cos A plus B cos A minus cos A plus cos B plus sin A sin B is cos A minus B, so here 50 minus 60 I have written over this sin 50 cos 50 and cos 60 degree. And now cos, this will be cos 10 degree, cos 10 degree, because cos of minus theta formula is cos theta. Here cos of minus 10 will be cos 10 only, over here sin 50 degree cos 50 degree, and cos 60 degree value is 1 over 2. We can substitute the value, and this 2 will go up, so 2 cos 10 degree over here sin 50 times cos 50 is with us, and multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, if it becomes 4 cos 10 degree over 2 sin 50 degree cos 50 degree, and numerator is 4 cos 10 degree, and our formula for 2 sin A cos A formula is sin 2A. In place of A we have 50 degree here, 2 sin A cos A sin 2A, so sin 2 times 50, that will be 100 degree, and equals to 4 cos 10 will be that will be cos here focus 10 degree, and then here is sine 100 degree. 100 means you can write 90 plus 10 degree. Okay, this sine 100 you can write sine 90 plus 10, and this equals to focus 10 degree sine 90 plus theta. Formula is cos theta. So 90 only means 90 times 1. It is the odd multiple of 1, odd multiple of 90. 90 times 1, that is odd multiple of 90. 1 is odd. So if there is odd multiple of 90, then sine changes to cos. And as it lies in the second quadrant, 90 plus something, in second quadrant sine is positive, so it will be cos 10 degree. And this equals to this can be cancelled, equals to 4, which is our RHS, equals to right hand side. Proved. Okay, in this way this important problem of multiple angles we have proved. And now if you need to copy it, then you can pause the video and then you can copy it. Now I will move to next question of this proving identity. Prove that tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta equals to cot theta. We have to prove. Okay, so tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta equals to, we have to prove cot theta. So in such type of problem here, theta, double of theta 2 theta, double of 2 theta 4 theta, double of 4 theta 8 theta, in such type of problem it is convenient to start from the extreme right side of this expression on the left hand side. So let's start from extreme right side. As I have already said that you copy one step of this left hand side, but I start here doing directly from the left hand side without copying this. Plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus cot A formula is 1 over tan A, so 8 over, I write here tan 8 theta, 8 times 1 over tan 8 theta, because cot A formula is 1 over tan A. So now we have this tan theta as it is plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8, and you can use here tan 2a formula. The formula of tan 2a is 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a, and in place of a here we have 4 theta, because 8 theta equals to, we can write 2 times 4 theta, so 8 over, this becomes 2 times, using this formula it is here tan 2 times, we have in place of a we have 4 theta in the question, so whereas there is a, I have used 4 theta, 2 tan 4 theta 4 theta over 1 minus tan square 4 theta. Below this it will be 1 minus tan square 4 theta, but that will go up. So I will write directly here 1 minus tan square 4 theta. Okay, so here there will be 2 tan 4 theta over this 1 minus tan square 4 theta will be here, but while simplifying in next step it will go up. So I have written here directly up, not to make this process lengthy. And now here tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus, now we will simplify this. You can multiply 4 to the 8 tan square 4 theta plus 8 minus 8 tan square 4 theta over this 2 tan 4 theta we can write. And now this tan square 4 theta minus and this plus can be cancelled, and now we will repeat same type of process. Okay, so tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus this 2 can divide it 4 times, 4 over tan 4 theta we can write. And now tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 over, again we can use tan 2a formula. Here tan 4 theta means 2 times 2 theta. Here tan 2 times, this 4 theta you can write 2 times 2 theta. So in place of a now there is 2 theta. So we can replace a by 2 theta. So tan 2 theta over 1 minus tan square 2 theta we can write for this. And 2 tan 2 theta over this we have 1 minus tan square 2 theta, that will go up. So I am directly writing here 1 minus tan square 2 theta. Okay, tan 4 theta is 2 tan 2 theta over, just below this 1 minus tan square 2 theta it will be this below part. While simplifying this step it will go up. Okay, and now here tan theta plus now this 2 can divide this 4, 2 to the 4. Now tan 2 theta multiply this, so it will be 2 tan square 2 theta plus, here is 2 as a 2 minus here 2 tan square 2 theta